नमस्कार। मिलसार टेलीविजन के सौजन्य से मैं फिर उपस्थित हूँ, फिर कई सरप्राइजेस लेके आ रहा हूँ। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर एंशिएंट एंड व्हाटएवर इज प्रेजेंट and what is happening around us. For everything, many things are in my mind that I am going to express exclusively for my own people who value me and who listen to my music, listen to everything that I serve from my treasure of gifted saints, sages of Kashmir. With singing the Vaag, I started my musical journey. My journey was decorated with singing in 22 languages, of which prominent languages Bangla, Marathi, Malayali, Kashmiri, Urdu, Hindi, Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic, Punjabi, and so many others. And the surprise I've kept for you, keep guessing, because I'm addressing about my cultural heritage, my value system, Shiva philosophy, and above all, the grace of greatest of saints of Kashmir, right from Swami Ram. Swami Ram, who is well known for his Shiva Darshana, who addressed it first and blessed the soil of Kashmir with everything in his period that changed altogether and appeared in the form of research departments, colleges, and so many educational institutes. Not only that, he is very much tuned with our rituals, because we know what we are celebrating since past 1 century, more than 1 century, that is Dub Dub Kushu Ram Roar. Dub Dub Kushu Ram Roar. दुब दुब कुशु कुशु राम रोर. क्या है? अन्न है, धन है, विद्या है, रोजी है, रोजगार है, and so many other things. प्यारी कुशी, this is code word. प्यारी कुशी, मंगल राज. These things are very secretive, but why these secrets? Why these secrets have not been unfolded since so many years or so many centuries or decades? That has a reason behind. I am coming up with so many surprises because from time to time I have been bringing to you through different mediums, that is stage. We did Krishnagaman, the arrival of Krishna in Kashmir in 98, 99. I think it was 2000 also. Not only that, we started actually with Bhoon in Delhi, for which we were supposed to go for a Silver Jubilee celebrations, and due to different situations we couldn't do that. But at the same time, we are planning that as well. We are planning for some more than 100 years of rarest of rare things that happened in Kashmir. And what was that? For that, you have to stay tuned. You have to stay tuned for our rituals like Vignatsun, Vanun, and so many other aspects. So many other aspects, because what we presented in 12th Festival of Asian Arts in Hong Kong, what we presented in Festival of USSR in India, what we presented, our artists presented in Festival of India in USSR, and Bharat Mahotsava all over India, and so many other aspects. I will be speaking on Okus, Bokus, Tilwan, Sokus. I will be speaking about the mission Kashir Pathshala. I will be speaking on poetry, Hutte Hutta, and so many other things. Lalitaditya Foundation. I will be speaking about my YouTube journey. I will be speaking about our journey through Milsar Television, and Milsar Kashmir Music and Dance Group. I will be speaking about so many feature films, hundreds of TV serials, Bhagavad Gita experience, and the scriptural treasure that we recorded from time to time, like Ratna Puja, Stotras, and so many things, right from Indrakshi, Tulmul Katha, and Panchastavi, Bhavarni Sahasranam, and recordings of Risdat, Laleshwari, Rupa Bhavani, and so many other saints, other scholarly people. Stay tuned for everything that you love, that you cherish. Thank you and goodbye. Namaskar.